Good afternoon students, welcome back to online mathematics class. In the last class we have solved up to the 21st question. So in today's class let us continue with the 22nd problem. It is prove that cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x which is equals to 1. So let us take up the LHS. LHS which is equals to cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot 3x minus cot 3x into cot x. So now I write this term as it is, left hand side which is equals to cot x into cot 2x. Then in these two terms I can take minus cot 3x common. So I take minus cot 3x common, then write the remaining terms. It is cot 2x plus cot x. Cot 2x plus cot x. Then in the next step LHS which is equals to cot x into cot 2x minus, here 3x can be written as 2x plus x. See here, cot 2x plus x. 3x I am writing it as 2x plus x. Then I write this particular term as it is. So here, for better understanding, you put the square brackets. So here I will be writing the square bracket. Cot 2x plus cot x. Then now in the next step LHS which is equals to, write this term as it is again, cot x into cot 2x, then minus, here we have to apply the formula cot of x plus y. See here the formula for cot of x plus y, it is cot of x plus y which is equals to cot x into cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. We have already proved this standard formula in our previous classes. So here it is in the form of cot of x plus y. Illi x andre 2x agtadri, y andre x agtada. So let us apply the formula. It is cot x andre illi ಏನು ಆಗ್ತದೆ 2x ಆದರೆ, into cot y means it is x minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. It is cot x plus cot 2x plus cot 2x, then into this term as it is. So into cot 2x plus cot x, cot 2x plus cot x. Then now see the denominator and this particular term cot x plus cot 2x, and then here cot 2x plus cot x. So these two get cancels now. So these two terms get cancels. It is in the form of a plus b, and here it is b plus a. Both are same. That is why I am cancelling out these two terms. Then LHS which is equals to, I write this as it is, cot x into cot 2x. Then I multiply minus sign with the first term as well as with the second term. We get minus cot 2x minus cot 2x and then into cot x then minus into minus it is plus. It is plus. Then see here, plus cot x into cot 2x minus cot 2x into cot x. So again these two get cancels, we have 1. So that is the required RHS. LHS is equals to 1 now, which is the required RHS. With this we have completed the 22nd problem. Well, the next question, it is 23rd one. Prove that tan 4x which is equals to 4 tan x into the bracket 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan raised to 4x. So mark this as very important for 5 marks and it is little bit lengthy. So you need to be very good in simplification to get the final answer. So I will be taking this as LHS. So here LHS which is equals to tan 4x. It is tan 4x. Now LHS which is equals to tan 4x can be written as tan 2 into 2x. It can be written as tan 2 into 2x. Now whatever is there inside the bracket, consider that as theta or capital A. Andre yav form daga agtade nodri, idini capital A anta tagondri antandre tan 2A form daga agtadri. So see here, LHS which is equals to tan 2A. What is the formula of tan 2A? Tan 2A which is equals to 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. So this is the standard result. So in our earlier classes we have used small x as the angle. Tan 2x equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So the angle can be anything. So now it is in the form of tan 2A. Let us apply the formula. 2 tan A. 2 tan A. In place of A we have to write 2x. 2x. Then divided by 1 minus tan square A, that is tan square 2x. Tan square 2x. So now in the next step, LHS which is equals to 2, I write it as it is. Then again we have to apply tan 2A formula here. Tan 2x. Tan 2A or tan 2x. It is 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. In place of tan 2x we have to apply the standard formula. It is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x. I hope you are understanding these steps. See here, 2 I have written as it is. Then in place of tan 2x I am applying the formula. Then whole divided by 1 I write it as it is. Then minus, here we have tan square 2x. We have to write the formula of tan 2x, then the whole square. So let us do that now. It is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, the whole square. See here, in place of tan 2x I have written 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Then here we have the square, that is I have written whole square. We have to simplify this particular term. So here LHS which is equals to, see here, 2 I will be writing it as it is. So now 2 into 2 it becomes 4 tan x. 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x, then whole divided by 1 I write it as it is. Then minus So here the square applies to the numerator as well as to the denominator. It is in the form of a by b whole raised to m. A by b whole raised to m means a raised to m divided by b raised to m. The square must be applied to the numerator, that is 2 tan x the whole square, then divided by 1 minus tan square x the whole square. 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Is that clear? So now let us move on to the next step. So here LHS which is equals to I write the numerator as it is now, 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, then whole divided by, here we have to take up the LCM. 1 minus tan square x the whole square will be multiplied with 1. So see here, 1 minus tan square x the whole square, tan square x the whole square, then minus 2 tan x the whole square, minus 2 tan x the whole square, then divided by this particular term, that is the LCM, divided by 1 minus tan square x the whole square, 1 minus tan square x the whole square. So let us simplify this now. LHS which is equals to, write this as it is now, 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x, then whole divided by, so here it is in the form of a minus b the whole square. So a square, that is 1 square, it will be 1, then plus b square, tan square x the whole square will be tan raised to 4x, tan raised to 4x minus 2ab, that is minus 2 tan square x, minus 2 tan square x, then here we have 2 tan x the whole square. Square applies to the first term as well as to the second term. 2 square will be 4. See here I write minus sign as it is, 4, then tan square x, then divided by this term as it is, 1 minus tan square x the whole square. Now we have to take up the reciprocal. Write this as it is and these two terms will be reversed. So here left hand side which is equals to, I write the numerator as it is, 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, then into, I write this in the numerator now, 1 minus tan square x the whole square, then divided by, write this as it is now. Here minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x will be minus 6 tan square x. So 1 plus tan raised to 4x as it is, then these two together can be written as minus 6 tan square x, minus 6 tan square x. So what we have done here, I have written this as it is, then here I am taking the reciprocal, ವ್ಯತ್ಕ್ರಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. So this goes to the numerator, ಇಲ್ಲಿ numeratorದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದೇವೆ. Then I have written this in the denominator. I have written the first two terms as it is, then minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x will give us minus 6 tan square x. So here in the next step, 1 minus tan square x and here 1 minus tan square x get cancels, you have one more 1 minus tan square x in the numerator. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಒಂದು 1 minus tan square x ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 1 minus tan square x ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. You have one more 1 minus tan square x in the numerator. So let us write here LHS which is equals to So now 4 tan x, I'll be writing it as it is. 4 tan x into the bracket. So 1 minus tan square x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಉಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ 1 minus tan square x the whole square ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲೇ. So it is 1 minus tan square x then divided by see here 1 plus tan raised to 4x minus 6 tan square x. So check the given RHS. 4 tan x into the bracket 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus 6 tan square x. So 1 minus 6 tan square x and then plus tan raised to 4x. So this is the required RHS. This is the required RHS. So here we have proved that LHS which is equals to RHS, and it is little bit lengthy. You need to be very good in simplification to get the final answer. Well, the 24th question, it is prove that cos 4x which is equals to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. So let us take up the LHS. LHS which is equals to cos 4x. It is cos 4x. Now in the next step, this 4x can be written as cos 2 into 2x. This 4x can be written as 2 into 2x. Now it is in the form of cos 2x. Here x means 2x. ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು a ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ. It is in the form of cos 2a. What is the formula of cos 2a? Cos 2a which is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square a. 1 minus 2 sin square a. Let us apply the formula here. LHS which is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square 1 minus 2 sin square a. A means 2x here. It is 2x. Here we have to write since cos 2a which is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square a. 1 minus 2 sin square a. So now in the next step, LHS which is equals to 1 minus 2, write it as it is. So here we have sin square 2x. This can be written as sin 2x the whole square. It is sin 2x the whole square. Sin 2x the whole square. Now LHS which is equals to 1 minus 2 sin 2x formula. It is 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x the whole square. We have applied the double angle formula of sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Now the square applies to the first term, second term and the third term. So here LHS which is equals to 1 minus 2, I write it as it is. Then here 2 square will be 4, then this becomes sin square x, then it becomes cos square x in the next step. So this 2 will be multiplied with 4. So LHS which is equals to 1 minus 2 into 4, it is 8. These two must be written as it is, sin square x into cos square x. Check the RHS now. 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. So this is the required RHS. Here we have proved that LHS which is equals to the RHS. So we have completed the 24th problem. Well, the 25th problem, it is prove that cos 6x which is equals to 32 cos to the power 6x minus 48 cos to the power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So again mark this as very important for 5 marks. So on exercise 3.3 you will definitely get one 5-mark question for the annual exam. So now here I will be taking the left hand side, LHS which is equals to cos 6x, then now left hand side which is equals to 6x can be written as cos 3 into 2x, cos 3 into 2x, multiply these two, we get back the previous term. Now this is in the form of cos 3a. What is the formula of cos 3a? See here, cos 3a which is equals to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So in our regular classes we have used the angle x. Illi angle x anta barudide vitara cos 3x which is equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, both are same. So now it is in the form of cos 3a. Here a means 2x. Let us apply the formula. LHS which is equals to 4 cos cube a, 4 cos cube a means 2x, 4 cos cube 2x minus 3 cos a, minus 3 cos a means it is 2x. So now see here in the next step, LHS which is equals to 4, I will be writing it as it is. Then here we have cos cube 2x, that is nothing but cos 2x the whole cube. Ee cos cube 2x anne ನಾವು ಈ ತರ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ರೀ, cos 2x the whole cube, cos 2x the whole cube. Then we can apply the cos 2x formula and then write cube as it is. So here what I do is I take 2 cos square x minus 1. In place of cos 2x I have written 2 cos square x minus 1, then whole cube as it is. So why we have taken this formula? Why not 1 minus 2 sin square x? It is because in the RHS we have only the cos term, that is why I have considered this. Then minus 3 into, again cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1, 2 cos square x minus 1. So next we have to simplify these two terms. It is in the form of a minus b the whole cube. What is a minus b the whole cube? A minus b the whole cube which is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into the bracket a minus b. This is the standard formula that we have learnt in our 8th or 9th standard. So let us apply that now. So here LHS which is equals to 4, I will be writing it outside. Then the first term it is a cube. Here this is going to be a cube. So 2 cos square x the whole cube, 2 cos square x the whole cube, this is a cube, minus b cube, it is 1 cube, 1 cube andre 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Then minus 3ab, or this can also be written as a cube minus b cube, then multiply with these two terms, minus 3a square b, minus into minus plus 3ab square. So now see here, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b, 3a square, this is a, we have to take the square of this, it is 2 cos square x the whole square into b means into 1, so into 1, then plus plus 3ab square. 3a means 2 cos square x. It is 2 cos square x. 3ab square, that is 1 square, it will be 1 square. Then we have to close this square bracket and then write this term as it is. Now minus 3 will be multiplied with the first term as well as with the second term. Minus 3 into this will give us minus 6 cos square x. Minus 6 cos square x. Then minus into minus will be plus 3. We get plus 3. So now we'll simplify this further. LHS, which is equals to 4, I will be writing it outside. So in this square bracket, 2 cos square x the whole cube. So here cube applies to the first term as well as to the second term. 2 cube will give us 8. Then here these two will be multiplied. We get cos to the power 6x. 2 into 3 it is 6. Then minus 1 as it is. Then minus 3. See here we have 2 cos square x the whole square. 2 square it is 4. 4 into 3 12. Then cos square x the whole square will be cos to the power 4x. Cos to the power 4x. Then plus 3 into 2 it is 6. 6 cos square x into 1 will be 6 cos square x itself. 6 cos square x. Then close the square bracket. Then minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Now we have to multiply 4 with all these terms up to the square bracket. Let us multiply 4 now inside the bracket. So here 4 into 8 it is 32. 32 cos to the power 6x minus 4. Then minus 4 into 12 it is 48. 48 cos to the power 4x. Then plus 4 into 6 it is 24. 24 cos square x. Then I write these two terms as it is. Minus 6 cos square x. Then plus 3. So let us simplify this further. So what do we get? LHS, which is equals to LHS, which is equals to, see here, search for the like terms here, 24 cos square x and then minus 6 cos square x. And then we have to subtraction agta. We get 18 cos square x and then minus 4 plus 3 will be minus 1. So now I write 32 cos to the power 6 x. 32 cos to the power 6x. Then next highest power it is cos raised to 4x minus 48 cos to the power 4x. And then these two will be subtracted. We get 18 cos square x plus 18 cos square x. And then minus 4 plus 3 will be minus 1. Will be minus 1. So check the RHS here. 32 cos to the power 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. So here we have got the required RHS. So LHS, which is equals to the RHS. So with this we have completed the exercise 3.3. So in this exercise we have overall 25 problems and few important examples. So you need to practice a lot to understand these problems.